My, my name is Richard Cleowesiama. I am 10 years old and I attend school at Child Bilingual Institute in Ghana. I got interest in programming because my school teaches us about programming. Today I am going to talk about my project. The name of my project is New Normal School Bots. New Normal School Bots is a bot that will assist both teachers and students. My bot will assist teachers to give students their work. My bot will also assist teachers to make sure students obey the COVID protocols. My bot will also assist students who opt for online learning at the These are the following features my bot has. My bot will detect whether you are wearing a nose mask or not, then will advise you whether you are wearing a nose mask or whether you are not wearing a nose mask. Then my bot will also recognize your class card and take you to your class. Then my bot will also teach the students, and my bot will also assess the students. And finally, my bot will also allow the students to choose. Some of the extensions I used are face detection, speech recognition, machine learning, recognition cards, text-to-speech. I am going to demonstrate my project, and after I will explain my code.
Hi there. Would you want a face-to-face school or online school? Tap on O for an online school or F for a face-to-face school. Show me your class card. No card detected. Show me your class card. Your class is class 1. Welcome to class 1. Good morning, children. Let's have our lesson. This is a forest ecosystem. This rabbit is a herbivore. This bear is an omnivore. This lion is a carnivore. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. Carnivores are animals that feed only on other animals for survival. Omnivores are animals that feed on both plants and animals for survival. Now let's have an assessment. But before, let me detect the expression of your face. Detecting expression of face. Please remove your mask for a short time for your face to be detected. No. No. Happy. Keep the smile up. Now you can take your assessment. It's assessment time. Mention the herbivore in the lesson.
Rabbits.
Sorry, it's a rabbit. Mention the carnivore in the lesson.
Lion.
Good. Mention the omnivore in the lesson.
Bear.
Sorry, it's a bear. 1/3. Now you can choose among these two games.
You have missed today's lesson. See you in the next lesson.
Now let's see how the face-to-face will work.
Hi there. Would you want a face-to-face school or online school? Tap on O for an online school or F for a face-to-face school. Please wear your nose mask and sanitize your hands. Please wear your nose mask and sanitize your hands. Sanitize your hands.
Let me pause here and explain the codes. So first, the code for Isaac. Isaac used all of the extensions here except data logger. So the first extension Isaac used was artificial intelligence when it turned off the video on stage with 0% transparency. Then the second place that Isaac used the second extension is the recognition cards. When you tap on online school or face-to-face school, it will turn on video with 0% transparency, then analyze the card from the image. So it uses recognition cards next. Then after that, it's the face-to-face. This is the third command for the face-to-face, but the first one is for the nose mask. That one I used the machine learning extension. So I trained my machine to detect whether you are wearing a nose mask or not wearing a nose mask, or whether you are not wearing the nose mask properly. So as you can see, then the third place I used my extension is face detection. When the person is going to take the quiz, the assessment, it will turn off video. It will turn on video on stage with 0% transparency, then analyze our face details before. So now this sprite, they didn't use any extensions. They only used the regular one: motion, look, sound, event, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks, and so on. So this is the code for the hair. Then also these are the codes for the lion. So it will show when the backdrop changes to forest. So this one too, the arrow, it will show when the backdrop changes to forest. Now